Hello. Thanks for joining us for our Solving Regional Problems with Plants series as we take a look at environmental challenges across North America and how grasses and sedges can help solve these problems. I'm Alex Stanley Stretch, the marketing coordinator at Hoffman Nursery, and today I'm here with Sami Nickerson from our sales and customer service team as she takes an in-depth look at the Great Plains and some of the plants that solve problems there. The grasses and sedges mentioned in this series are a part of our regional plant list. Our full list can be found on our website at hoffmannursery.com and in our catalog. With that, I'll turn it over to Sami.
Thanks, Alex, for the introduction. The Great Plains is a vast and ecologically diverse region of North America, and it has long been recognized for its unique blend of natural beauty and agricultural significance. However, as the presence of climate change looms, this region continues to face challenges. It is increasingly evident that the Great Plains will experience hotter and drier conditions in the years to come, threatening its ecosystems, agriculture, and overall sustainability. During this section, we will be talking about a couple of plants that can be thought of as problem solvers: Muhlenbergia reversionii, Sargastrum nutans, and Schizocarium scoparium. These low-water use and drought-tolerant plants are native and resilient and serve as natural solutions when dealing with the effects of climate change. Starting out with Muhlenbergia reversionii, or rose muhly, it is a remarkable native grass species, celebrated not only for its aesthetic charm, but also for its eco-friendly characteristics, particularly its low water usage. This grass is predominantly found in the regions of Texas and Oklahoma. It has gained popularity as a landscaping choice due to its ability to thrive with minimal water resources and withstand many environmentally adverse conditions. You may be thinking that rose muhly shares some similarities with pink muhly grass, and you would be correct. Both are heat, drought, salt, and humidity tolerant. The main difference between the two of them is the size. Rose muhly is smaller in stature and has softer, more diffuse rose-pink blooms. It occurs naturally in limestone soils and seep areas. These attractive plumes not only offer aesthetic appeal, but also provide valuable habitat and food for wildlife, making it an ecologically beneficial addition. As this plant ages, the old leaf blades curl up and accumulate at the base of the clump, forming a curly mass that adds even more texture to the landscape. Muhlenbergia reversionii is resilient and adaptable. This grass has evolved to withstand periods of limited water availability, making it well suited for arid and semi-arid environments. It's considered a low water use plant, making it an excellent choice for xeriscaping and water efficient landscaping. During dry spells, it conserves water by slowing down its growth and reducing water loss through transpiration. Its narrow, arching leaves limit the surface area exposed to sunlight and air, which reduces evapotranspiration. This is the loss of water through both evaporation from the soil and transpiration from the plant. This adaptation helps to retain moisture within the grass. Moreover, this native grass is well suited for stabilizing soil in erosion-prone areas. Whether used as an accent plant in gardens or in restoration projects, rose muhly embodies the beauty and functionality of native plant species, contributing to the local ecosystems while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of landscapes. Rose muhly has great potential for use in water-wise landscaping in the Great Plains, a region that's getting hotter and drier. By incorporating low water use native plants like Muhlenbergia reversionii, we can create vibrant landscapes that conserve water and showcase the plant's unique beauty. Its ability to use water efficiently, native adaptation, aesthetic appeal, and low maintenance requirements make it a great choice to achieve these goals of water-conscious landscaping in this region. This next plant is considered a key native grass species that plays a significant role in the ecology and conservation efforts of the Great Plains. Sargastrum nutans, also called yellow prairie grass, is a historically significant grass. It's drought-tolerant, fire-resistant, and it supports biodiversity. It's adaptable, making it a great choice for this region. Some time ago, indigenous communities across the Great Plains utilized this grass for crafting baskets, thatching, and as a food source. The seeds were a particularly valuable dietary component, either eaten whole or ground into a flour. European settlers recognized its forage potential for livestock and began cultivating it for pasture and erosion control. Over time, as native grasslands faced conversion and development pressures, efforts to conserve and restore these ecosystems led to the planting of yellow prairie grass, solidifying its role in modern conservation and restoration projects. Beyond its historical significance, this grass's aesthetic appeal has made it a popular choice in landscaping. Sargassum nutans is characterized by its tall, slender stems that can reach heights of up to 7 feet. The graceful nodding seed heads, a distinguishing feature, turn a lovely golden color in the late summer and fall, creating a picturesque landscape. Yellow prairie grass is known for its drought tolerance and adaptability to various soil types. It has evolved to thrive in the Great Plains' challenging conditions, requiring minimal irrigation while maintaining its vitality, making it a resilient and versatile choice for both prairie restorations and garden landscapes. With regards to biodiversity, Sargassum also supports native wildlife. The bunch-type growth and basal leaves provide ground cover and nesting areas for game birds and songbirds. White-tailed deer will utilize the tall grass for cover throughout most of the year, and native bees gather nesting materials from this plant. Finally, yellow prairie grass is a larval host and adult food source for the pepper and salt skipper butterfly. In addition to its significance as a wildlife resource, the robust root system of Sargassum is essential for soil stabilization, making it an effective tool in preventing erosion. The extensive network of deep roots helps bind the soil together, reducing the risk of sediment runoff into nearby water bodies, which can degrade water quality. Furthermore, this grass significantly contributes to water infiltration by creating channels in the soil through its roots, allowing rainwater to percolate and recharge groundwater, which is especially crucial in the region of the Great Plains. This plant's remarkable adaptability extends to fire-adapted ecosystems as well. In regions where wildfires are a natural part of the landscape, Sargassum excels as a resilient species. Its ability to resprout vigorously after fires gives it a competitive advantage, aiding in the ecological recovery and restoration of fire-prone habitats. By recolonizing and regenerating the landscape after fires, Indian grass actively contributes to the rejuvenation of these ecosystems and the preservation of their unique biodiversity. Sargassum nutans is one of the stars in the ensemble of the tallgrass prairie, which once dominated the Great Plains. With its drought tolerance, historical significance, ecological contributions, and low maintenance requirements, it's an excellent choice for sustainable landscaping in this region. By incorporating native plants like yellow prairie grass, we not only embrace water-efficient gardening, but also contribute to the preservation of the region's natural heritage and ecological balance. Finally, Schizocarium scoparium, also known as little bluestem. According to the USDA, little bluestem is one of the most widely distributed native grasses in North America, thriving in well-drained, medium to dry, and infertile soils. That's right, it's a perfect choice for those landscapes with poor soils. Schizocarium's high drought tolerance allows it to flourish throughout North America and into a large portion of Canada. It is also found in all states except Oregon, Nevada, and Alaska. It thrives in the tallgrass prairies of the Great Plains and is the official state grass of both Kansas and Nebraska. Historically, little bluestem served multiple purposes for Native American communities, including insulation in moccasins and sweat lodge switches made from its stalks. Today, it remains an important food source for caterpillars, butterflies, birds, and small mammals. Little bluestem is a top choice for grazers, from cattle and bison to elk, and is often used for hay. It also holds value for insects, providing nesting materials for native bees, pollen for pollinators, and serving as a host plant for skipper butterfly caterpillars. Furthermore, it excels in erosion control and revegetation projects due to its adaptability and deep fibrous root system, which can extend up to 5 feet. This extensive root system is not only important in helping native grasses withstand drought periods, but it's also useful in stabilizing soils. Numerous cultivars of Schizocarium scoparium are available, Each provides different benefits, from size to color and shape, but all of them remain true to Little Bluestem's legacy of drought tolerance, low maintenance, and natural beauty. The foliage of Little Bluestem displays a variety of blue, green, and purple foliage in spring and summer, transitioning to red, copper, and orangey hues in the fall. This mostly upright bunchgrass produces basal foliage in mid to late spring, with flowering stalks rising above in mid to late summer, leading to intricate and showy blooms in the fall. This grass establishes quickly on disturbed soils, making it perfect for banks, slopes, restoration projects, meadows, prairies, mixed plantings, and urban trail landscapes. This North American native is recognized for its high ecological value and low maintenance needs, making it an easy care, unfussy, and beautiful choice. In fact, the Perennial Plant Association named Schizocarium scoparium and its cultivars the 2022 Perennial Plant of the Year due to its exceptional qualities. This species is tough and adaptable, tolerating various moisture conditions from average to nearly arid, and growing on both acidic and alkaline soils. For optimal growth, Little Bluestem requires nearly full sun and benefits from cutting back in late winter or early spring to encourage new shoots. Inadequate sunlight, excess fertility, and excessive moisture can lead to floppy growth, but newer cultivars can offer upright growth even under less ideal conditions. Schizocarium scoparium is renowned for its remarkable drought tolerance, making it a valuable addition to a region experiencing increasingly hot and dry conditions. This versatile plant can seamlessly integrate into a wide range of landscapes, offering not only its adaptability but also historical significance, aesthetic appeal, and low maintenance requirements. Little Bluestem is an excellent choice for both formal and informal gardens. To finish up, as the Great Plains continue dealing with hotter and drier conditions due to climate change, the advantage of low water use and drought-tolerant plants like Muhlenbergia robertsonii, Sargastrum nutans, and Schizocarium scoparium are vital. These tough native plants show that nature has its own solutions to problems. They don't just survive, they thrive despite the challenges. These plants help save water, reduce maintenance, and can provide ecological benefits, all while enhancing the beauty of your landscape. Thanks again for tuning in.